Here in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day. And as we promised, we do daily videos here on the channel where we talk about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as strategies, tips and tricks to help you get started on Amazon KDP and also make passive income using other means such as writing on Medium, also hosting a print on demand online store on Redbubble, as well as Etsy, and all these kind of passive income streams. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, as I said, 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that I am going to share with you today and reveal the profitability data with you. We're using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords analyzed in this channel. So you can go ahead and check out the 4 free Chrome extensions that we're using in a video where I made talking about how to use them correctly, how to download them, and all the things that you need to know. That video will be linked in the description box below. Just before we get started, there's a couple of things I want you to know. There is 2 free trials in the description box below this video that I would like you to take advantage of if you do not yet have an active subscription. First of all, 30-day free trial to an all-access Creative Fabrica subscription where you can check out Creative Fabrica, download interiors, and also access KDP keywords, KDP interiors, and graphics to help you with both your cover and interiors. Also, there is a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which allows you to format, edit, create, and download KDP interiors as well. So let's get started on the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is ADHD Daily Planner for Adults 2023 to 2024. It has a keyword niche score of 51, which is amazing given by self-publishing titans. Also, the total results are 328, which is under 1,000, which is ideal. And the average bestseller rank is currently sitting at 79,805, which is amazing. We ideally want the average bestseller rank to be under 400,000 mark, and this one is way below, so it's good. The less the better in terms of the average bestseller rank, in terms of the total results. Also, the average reviews are sitting at 1,227, and all this data here gives us a beautiful confirmation of profitability. First of all, strong keyword score, total results under 1,000, bestseller rank under 300,000, amazing, and a good number of reviews right over here. So for this reason, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension in terms of the keyword niche score. So let's go ahead and check out this beautiful keyword. What you're doing here as of publishing this video and creating this video, it is now today, Tuesday, the 15th of August, and we are into the second part of 2023. So I highly advise you, if you do want to create a ADHD daily planner for adults, to either not mention 2023 or 2024. Just don't make it year specific in terms of, don't mention the year number in the title, don't mention the year number in the subtitle, because these cannot be changed. You want your planner, you want your book to be always relevant. So it's not a good idea to mention the year number. What you can do is you can mention the write the year number on the cover, and then each year you would update that cover to the current year if that's what you're looking for, in order to make it relevant for a specific year. So it's a beautiful, easy planner that you can go ahead and create. And nowadays it's quite rare to come across a planner that has these profitability data attached to it, because everyone and their mother and their grandmother seems to be creating planners and notebooks these days. So whenever I come across a planner or a notebook niche, I'm really happy to share it with you. Take advantage of it. Create an ADHD daily planner for adults that really stands out, over delivers, has strategies, has some tips and tricks, has maybe a habit tracker, all the most important tools that you think that a person with an adult with ADHD needs in their daily planner. Also, you can niche down whether you want to create an ADHD daily planner for adults that is 365 days for a full year, whether you want to create it for a weekly, a 52-week. Also, have some strategies in there, have some content in there. I know it's a planner, but you really need to add in extra value. You need to over deliver in order to stand out. Another way you can also niche down is now you're creating it for adults. So you've got a wide range of market to for you to diversify in sub niche if you wish to. You can create based on whether it's for women, for men, based on ADHD daily planner for adults, nurses, students, moms, dads, seniors as well. You can niche down. Also the cover and the design and the aesthetic feel and vibe of it does play a role, so you can niche down whether you want it to be more of a botanical ADHD daily planner for adults, where the cover would be all flowers and a very vintage botanical, florally, herbal kind of look and feel to it in terms of the cover and the interior design, whether you want it to be more of a glossy glitter and marble kind of gold silver look and feel, mostly appropriate for young adult women and these kind of things. So you can sub niche according to different kind of things, according to career, according to the design, vibe and look and feel, according to the the sub niche of adult categories also. So take advantage of this beautiful keyword right over here. I'm just going to take this exact keyword. I'm going to head over to Creative Fabrica and see if there's any interiors available for this. So I'm not going to insert the year number. I'm just going to go ahead and search ADHD daily planner for adults, and I have a total of 8 results. I want to filter it based on KDP interiors. Not much to filter already, but there is a 7 total results for the word ADHD daily planner, and you can go ahead and download 2 of these. You can choose and match and mix. You can create your own vibe. You can upload as a PDF file to Canva, for example, or any other software such as Affinity Publisher. I sometimes use Affinity Publisher in order to edit interiors, but since Canva has already introduced the option to upload PDFs, it's become so easy to edit and to upload that same PDF that I got from Creative Fabrica, upload it to Canva, edit it, everything will be selectable, and then download it. Add in some content, change in the font and everything like that. I have made a video previously on the channel about a couple of months ago where I went through my whole process on how I edit interiors, KDP interiors that I get from Creative Fabrica. How do I edit them in Canva? So that video will be linked in the description box below for anyone that wants to see the whole process and work with me as I edit the interiors. So let's head over to the second keyword for the day. And the second keyword for the day is Neurodivergent CBT Workbook. Neurodivergent CBT Workbook has a keyword niche score of 44. I'm personally happy with that, and that's by Self-Publishing Titans. As a confirmation, we have a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this keyword as a nice niche. So it beautifully complements the 44 given by Self-Publishing Titans. So we've got 2 quite good scores in terms of the keyword scores. Also, the total results are fabulous. They are 72. So it's way below the what we want it to be, 1,000 or less. Total results 72. Also, the average bestseller rank is 249,509, which is below the expected 300,000 that we want it to be. So then again, the less the better. An average reviews of 1,095 and an average price of $21.24. Now this is the highest I've personally seen in terms of a workbook niche keyword. So I really like the price here, and it really does indicate that the majority of these books are workbook. Yes, there is activities based in these books, but they're more to do with actual content in there and exercises and prompts and advice and strategies to help those who are neurodivergent work through their kind of that inner therapy wise as well. So there's a couple of ways you can go about it. The best way is to create yourself a workbook that has information on strategies to help those who are neurodivergent with CBT therapy and with their anxiety and that kind of thing. I highly advise you also to highly advise you to do thorough research before embarking on this niche, because this is a beautiful niche. I've discussed this before in previous videos on a couple of keywords that are connected to the CBT therapy, workbook related, journal related, prompt journals as well. So if you really specialize in this keyword, CBT workbook, you'd be able to create a couple of really profitable books that have great potential in terms of profitability and in terms of all this beautiful data that checks all the boxes. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything available in Creative Fabrica for this keyword. Now bear with me, please. I'm going to go Neurodivergent CBT workbook, nothing for neurodivergent. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and just write CBT workbook and see what we have. We have a total of 4 results. Beautiful. This one's about challenging negative thoughts. This one's also challenging negative thoughts, and it's automatic. These ones are just, a bulk interiors that have some sort of exercises that are related to CBT, but I personally like these 2, and I would add more to them in terms of comprehensive information about how CBT is known to help in terms of therapy, what is CBT, a couple of journal prompts as well, a couple of motivational quotes to help. So do your own research. Another thing I would like to search for is just neurodivergent. See what comes up here. I haven't searched this before, but we have a total of 43 results. Let's see if there's any KDP interiors. Unfortunately, there is no KDP interior category to select here, but we do have some quotes. We do have some print-on-demand content, some stickers. There's some stuff about ADHD, which is kind of connected to the whole neurodivergent field. Correct me if I'm wrong on this one. So you might want to use a couple of these beautiful quotes and designs in your interiors, scattered in strategic places, also in your cover as well, to help with the design process. So never underestimate the graphics available here. You can use them in many ways in your cover, in your interiors, to really help in adding that visual element as well and designing the book. So let's have a look at the third keyword for the day, and the third keyword for the day is Teacher Lesson Planner 2023 to 2024 ADHD. ADHD Teacher Lesson Planner 2023 to 2024 has a great potential in terms of keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans of 54. I like the keyword niche score here, and it beautifully complements the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, which is a number 7. Now number 9 is the highest in terms of what Amazon Scout Pro has to offer us in terms of keyword strength. So I'm pretty happy with number 7, and it complements with the 54 given by self-publishing titans. Also, let's have a look at the total results. Total results are currently 296, so they're below what we want it to be, 1,000 or below, which is good to see. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000, and it sits at an average of 94,523, which is fabulous. The average reviews are 567. You're really creating a lesson planner for teachers to niche down according to the year and according to the students that they're dealing with. It's not clear whether it's the student who has ADHD or the teacher who has the ADHD and wants a lesson planner to be friendly for their ADHD mind and lifestyle, and really help them to organize their life and their career, like their lesson plan as teachers. But I now do suspect mostly that it is teachers that are dealing with ADHD students who wants a lesson plan, that it may be a special ed teacher, special education teacher, a teacher who is teaching a group of students who have ADHD, and she wants a lesson plan to really help in kind of laying out everything clearly, and just maybe strategies to help teachers work with students that have ADHD, or the other way around, the teacher who has ADHD that wants a lesson planner that is fully laid out, that is very clear, that is very brief, that is very organized. So it depends on what way you want to go about this. There's no wrong and right way. There's always a way when it comes to playing around with the keywords. As long as you use this keyword, long as the majority of it is relevant to, and you're fulfilling your promises to the customer, you're delivering and you're over delivering, then that's better. That's good. Insert strategies, insert lesson plans that are comprehensive. Now you can go ahead and also insert a calendar to do with that. Then again, I would not, any keyword that you come across a year number with, that's 2024, 2025, 2023, it's highly advisable not to mention it in the title or in the subtitle, only in the cover. You can mention it in the cover. You can mention it in the description of the interior as well. You can mention the year number in the description of the actual product book, the product description, because that can be edited. You can go ahead after 23 has ended off, after 24 has ended, go ahead and just make the edits. Teacher lesson planner. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to insert it to Creative Fabrica and see what kind of interiors we have. Heading back to Creative Fabrica, and we have 2024 to 2025. Now that's a smart move right over here. We have 2023 to 2024, then again 2023 to 2024 right over here. So you have a total of 223 KDP results, KDP interiors for the keyword teacher lesson planner, and they're all mostly up to date. So it's great to see that Creative Fabrica sellers are offering and they are keeping up to date with the latest keywords that are profitable and offering interiors for these. So take advantage of this teacher lesson planner 2023 to 2024 ADHD. Now it's the final keyword for the day is teacher planner vertical days, and it has an amazing potential, way better potential than any of the keywords that we have discussed previously, than the last 3 keywords that we've discussed in today's video. The keyword niche score is an amazing 61, green light, ready to go by self-publishing titans. Total results under 1,000. Total results are sitting at 653. Average bestseller rank super low, 16,863, below what we want it to be, 300,000 or less, which is great to see. Average reviews are 398. You're creating a planner for teachers that has vertical days layout, which is good. Try to make it appealing, try to take advantage of the niche. Now, because of all these profitable data that we have right over here given by self-publishing titans, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro. So we've shared with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day, starting with the ADHD daily planner for adults 2023 to 2024. The second keyword was Neurodivergent CBT workbook, which has a keyword niche score of 44. Third one being teacher lesson planner 2023 to 2024 ADHD, which has a keyword niche score of 54. And lastly, teacher planner vertical days, keyword niche score of 61. Take advantage of all these beautiful keywords right here. I wish you all the best. Let me know if you need any help, and let me know if you're currently enjoying these daily profitable Amazon KDP keyword videos so I can continue, or if you want any other type of videos that I'm willing to do. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.